The story of the Phishy the cat and the tiny mouse. In a small, vibrant area of the city, where every creature had a story to tell, there lived a mischievous cat named Phishy and a wise little mouse named Tiny. Phishy and Tiny were neighbors, but had never really talked until the day of the Grand Book Fair. The Grand Book Fair was the most exciting event of the year, where animals from all the corners of the city came to explore stories from around the world. Phishy, with her endless curiosity, was eager to find adventure tales that spoke of distant lands and brave feats. She loved imagining herself as the hero of her own story. Tiny, on the other hand, was on a mission to find ancient cheese recipes. Being a lover of gourmet foods, he hoped to discover new cheese flavors to delight his taste buds. On the morning of the book fair, Phishy and Tiny found themselves at a crossroads, literally. They both needed to cross the bustling town square, which was a challenge for Tiny due to the larger animals. Phishy, realizing this, offered to help Tiny. In return, Tiny agreed to help Phishy navigate the maze of bookstalls at the fair, where a mouse's keen eye could spot hidden gems. As they journeyed together, Phishy's stomach began to rumble. She couldn't help but gaze at Tiny with a look of hunger. Tiny, noticing her stare, felt a twinge of fear. "Phishy," he said cautiously, "your gaze makes me uneasy. Perhaps it's better if we go our separate ways." Phishy quickly reassured him. "Oh, Tiny, I didn't mean to scare you. It's just a cat's nature to feel this way when we see a mouse. But I promise, our friendship means more to me than an old instinct." Tiny pondered this and then offered a solution. "Phishy, let's make a deal. You keep your promise and I'll share my cheese snacks with you. That way, we can both enjoy the book fair without any worries." The deal was a success. They enjoyed the fair, sharing stories and snacks, and learned much about each other's worlds. Phishy found her adventure tales, and Tiny discovered new cheese recipes. Their journey back home was full of laughter and new plans for future adventures together. Though they continued their friendship, Tiny always remembered to stay cautious. He knew Phishy was a good friend, but he also understood the importance of being careful and not trusting blindly. The value in this story is trust is valuable, but it must be balanced with caution and understanding. True friendship can grow when we respect each other's nature and communicate openly.